Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to get Bluetooth in your Fiat 500 Pop or Colour Therapy that doesn't have any steering wheel controls and has the normal stereo without any Bluetooth. We're going to show you a really cheap and easy way to get cordless, wire-free telephone calls and streaming music in your Fiat 500. So stick around and let's see how we do it. So this is what I use. I've tried different ones, various different ones, but this seems to be the same, the best one I could find. So it supports hands-free. It's an FM transmitter. It supports USB charging. It also has voltage detection. It will show you what your battery is outputting, and it's got voice activation. Got this from Amazon. It's about a tenner. It's about a tenner. So you can use it on all types of vehicles, of course. So it just goes in the accessory socket. It's got an LED display, hands-free calling, battery voltage detection, supports all those different types of fast charging, and it's even got a TF card TF card slot that you can play music off of a TF card. Hands-free stereo, the lot, all in this little contraption here. So let's get it out of the box and we'll see how it works. So this is it. Quite a neat little device. It looks like a neat little device. So it's got the LED display on the top just there, and it's got two USB slots, one for music and one for charging. The orange one is for charging and the black stroke grey one is for music. What the difference is I do not know. And then you've got the buttons on the front here for answering your phone and presumably playing your music as well. I've never delved too far into these, but I know they work. And a little instruction leaflet. So this car I've got here is a 2015 Colour Therapy. Now this will work in all Series 3 Fiat 500s that don't have Bluetooth. So that would be a Pop or a Colour Therapy generally. Some Pops will have it. You'll know whether you've got Blue and Me or not, because you will have steering wheel controls. If you haven't got steering wheel controls on your steering wheel, obviously, you haven't got Blue and Me. If Blue and Me will give you your free, Blue and Me will give you your hands-free calling. This car doesn't have it. Sometimes it's there as an option. On this car it's not, and on most Pops it's not an option, or wasn't an option when the car was new. So let's show you. So first of all, we need to plug it in to this, I always call it the cigarette lighter, but people of a certain age call it the cigarette lighter. Everybody else calls it a 12-volt accessory socket or something along those lines. So all you do is you plug it in there and it just sits there, and then that socket is only powered when the ignition's on. So let's turn the ignition on and see what it does. Okay, so we've switched the ignition on, and as you can see there, it is showing 107.9. Now you can change that, I believe. I've not read the instructions, but these are quite simple to use. So 107.9 is the frequency that you need to tune the stereo to. So let me just tune that to 107.9 and then we'll go from there. Okay, so all I've done is I've used the button here to tune, gone through the stations. It's obviously stopped at 107.9. Because it's detecting a signal from that, and then I've pressed the 6 button and saved it to number 6. So if you're listening to another station and you want to make a phone call, I don't think it auto changes. I think you have to do it manually. So you press button number 6 and it will take you to that. Now that will be the same as to whether you're making phone calls or transmitting music from your phone or from a TF card. Whichever you do, it's going to be on that same frequency. So then we have to go to our phone and then we have to link to the Bluetooth that's provided by the little device. So we'll just go to the settings on the phone, go to Bluetooth and set that up. Okay, so when you go to your phone, so you've gone to your Bluetooth settings within your phone, and you'll see down the bottom car kit. The other ones on there are others that I've linked to before. That's my 500X, and these are two other Bluetooth things that I've linked to in the end. But we've got car kit showing here, which is new. So you click on that. Connection success. So we turn the volume up, and now we should be able to make a phone call. Okay, I'm calling the Chinese takeaway up the road. So as you can hear, that's coming out of the stereo. They're probably not going to answer the phone because they're not open. If they do, I say sorry, wrong number. So there you go. You have instantly got hands-free calling, which you can adjust the volume by that. It's a bit crackly, but I don't think the call will be crackly when it goes through. So there you go. So we'll hang up on that. There you go. So that's it. Now the same applies. So you can also just turn the volume down. Obviously you can use the volume button on your stereo to adjust the volume, or you can probably use the volume button on your phone as well to do the same thing to make it louder. So let's just phone that again. Don't think it doesn't say anything on the display, but can you use your volume button on the phone? Imagine you can. Yeah, so it's going up and down, up and down. Yeah, there you go. So it's saying that it's in a call. So if I hang up, just drop the call, it's showing Bluetooth, and it's showing a 107.9, which is the frequency it's set to. You can change that. We are getting a bit of interference, but I think that might be from the camera that's causing that. .9. So I think using the buttons down here, you can change that to whatever you like, whichever frequency you want. So that 107.9 may well be close to a radio frequency as well. So you just need to find the best one for your area really as to which one you want to use. Okay, so when you first switch on, it tells you about your voltage of your battery. Let's just switch it on.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Oh, it didn't tell me what my voltage was. It did a second ago. I don't know what I've done differently. Never mind. Anyway, yes, it works fine. It works fine. So it's worth the money. Let's just switch that off. So as I say, you've got two ports there. For the sake of 10 quid, it gives you, okay, it's only basic, you know, you've got to manually press the button on there to switch to the frequency that you've set it to, but it works well. It works well, and you can play music from it as well. So for the sake of 10 quid, I'm going to leave this in this car, because it was when I sell the car, at least it will have something that people can use for Bluetooth. They can just connect their own phone to it. So that's it. It's a cheap way of getting Bluetooth and music streaming in your car. So what I would suggest is if you want to get this, I will put a link in the description to where I got it on Amazon. Go there and have a look. I think it's about £10 or £11, something like that. Absolute bargain. So have a look, see what you think. So that's the end of that how-to video. Easy way of getting Bluetooth in your car, that if your car doesn't already have Bluetooth. Nice and cheap. So yes, so hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you found it of use. Go and get yourself one, see what you think. And have a look at the others that are on there as well. There are loads to choose from. I've just used that one a few times and I know it works pretty much seamlessly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you are a casual viewer, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We like them, and a like, and a share, etc, etc, etc. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and we will see you very soon.